Howdy folks, this is Caleb with TELUS, and I'm here to answer the question, how do I view live video from the app, the panel, the web portal, and how do I manage my video clips?
You can view live video and clips through the web portal at telus.com/smarthomelogin. We'll select video from the menu on the left, which will automatically queue up any live video feeds from your cameras. You can select Save Video Clips from the top, which will load up any pre-recorded videos you have. You can play them from there, and download, rename, mark to save, or delete them. You can also do this through the menu up in the top right-hand corner of any video clip.
To access your videos from your app, simply enter the app, go to the menu in the top left corner, select Video. From here, in the Live section, you can just press the play button to access live video, or you can tap the saved icon to go in, review any recordings that have already been made. From there, you can also select them to choose to play them, save them, or delete them. The control panel can only be used to see live video, and it has to be enabled through the web portal to be able to access it at all. From the control panel, you'll swipe until you come across a screen that looks like this. From here, you can choose which camera you would like to view live, and then press the play button to load it up. I hope that helps, and thank you for watching us at TELUS.